Hi, this is Mrs. Gilbert, the reading specialist at Londonderry Elementary School. This is the first of a series of videos about the different animal reading strategies you can use to encourage your child to take action when solving an unknown word. The first strategy I'm going to show you is called Eagle Eye, where we want the child to look at the picture and think, what is in the picture that starts with the beginning letter? Let's read little things. I have a little bed. I have a little table. I have a little chair. I have a little lamp. I have a little clock. I have a little, I don't know if that's oven or stove. Well, look at the picture and think, what is in the picture that starts with the beginning letter? The beginning letter is S, and S says S, so the word must be stove. Good. Now reread the sentence. I have a little stove. I have a little sink. I have a little house. And that's how you can encourage your child to use the Eagle Eye reading strategy to solve an unknown word.